Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my son's winter boots. These are amazing. So these lovely boots are from BODATU, and there's a lot of things that I want to tell you about them. I really like them. We got them in this black and gray color, but you can choose from several different styles and colors. They are also a size 5, and they fit him very well. You can put a pair of socks with them or not if you want. So this warm fuzz goes all the way down to the toe, which is wonderful. They're going to keep his feet nice and warm. They are also waterproof, so I don't have to worry about his little tootsies getting cold and wet. I like on this pair that you can cinch them up real tight so that no snow gets inside. They are perfect for building snow forts or snowmen and just playing for hours in the snow. I also love how durable they are. We know how little boys can be, destroying their clothes and their shoes, but he can play with these as hard and rough as he wants to because they're made out of such a good, strong material. The stitching's not going to come loose and they're not going to break down on you. So these boots have checked all of the boxes for us. He can play for hours in the snow with these things, and I think they're fantastic. But that's just my point of view.